What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Instagram app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Right, so there's two ways that you can do this, right? First way is to simply go ahead and click on the Windows icon on your computer and you want to open up the Microsoft Store. Right, now once you're there, all you have to do in the search box there, just simply type Instagram and you will find the Instagram app. You want to click on that and then you want to go ahead and click on Get. And if you have it installed already, you will see open. You just simply need to install it, right? So that's the first way, right, that you can install the Instagram application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, right? So I'm going to go ahead and close out here. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to uninstall this application and show you the second way how you can basically install it. Now in order to remove the Instagram application from my computer, I'm going to simply right click on the Windows icon and then I'm going to go to install apps here, and then I'm going to search right here for Instagram, and you will see the Instagram application, right? So what I'm going to do is just click the three dots and simply click uninstall, right? Do the same here, uninstall. Right, very easy and very simple. So you can see that I removed the Instagram there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close this now. Now the second way, just simply open up your Google Chrome browser, right? And you simply want to type Instagram. This will take you to Google search and you just need to go to the official Instagram website. Now once you're here, guys, if you look in the address bar here, you will see two icons. You have one that says install Instagram app and you also have the bookmark. So if you click on this here, you can install the Instagram application. Another way is to click the three dots here and then on the save and share, you also have install Instagram. So you can click it from here or you can click it from the address bar here by simply click on that and do install. Now as you can see, it quickly installed the Instagram application here. You can use it, you can sign in, and also you can even pin it to your taskbar. So if you so desire and want to close it, you have a quick access there that you can easily access the Instagram application here. So let's say you no longer want to use the application, you don't want to have it on your computer anymore. All you have to do is just simply click the three dots here and then you click on uninstall Instagram. Then simply do remove and this will uninstall Instagram from your computer. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much and see you next time.